Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dropbox Sign to collect W-9s for 1099 prep. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log into your Dropbox Sign account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Dropbox Sign website and following the sign up process. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Create button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on Create and then select Document. Next, choose the option to upload a file. Select your W-9 form that you want to send out for signing. After uploading, you'll see a preview of your document. Now, click on the Add Signer button. Enter the email address of the person you need to collect the W-9 from. You can also add a message or instructions for the signer, if desired. Check the box for Require Signature to ensure compliance. Next, click on the Next button to proceed. This will bring you to the document editor. Here, drag and drop the signature field to where you want the signer to sign. You may also want to add any additional fields for the signer to fill out. After adjusting the document, click on the Send button. This will send an email to your signer with a link to complete their W-9. Once they complete and submit the form, you will receive a notification. To access the signed W-9, return to your dashboard. Locate the completed document in your list of transactions. Click on the document to view or download it. You now have a signed W-9 ready for your 1099 preparation. Repeat this process for any additional W-9s you need to collect. You have successfully connected Dropbox Sign to collect W-9s for your tax needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.